Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Ray, Roland, Jeff. Guys, we just missed a nice crude short. NASDAQ is headed down to 800, maybe 802. NASDAQ looks, Aspen, good morning. Nevin, Chris. NASDAQ's coming down, guys. 802 would be my target. If anybody is interested in that. Randy, Sue, good morning. Guys, it is Friday, February 26th. John, good morning. It is the last day of the week. It is the last day of the month. Last trade day of the month. Jacques, good morning. I'm looking to find a place, maybe I don't know if we'll get a bounce back to 52, but NASDAQ's coming down, guys, to 802 and probably lower. 812 will give it some support. That might be first target 13 and then 2. Just missed a nice crude short, literally by 3 minutes. You have a 650 target. It would not shock me to see the lows. I think 12,500 is. Yeah, so the low overnight looks like about 60. I would think that that's probably where we come at some point today. Yesterday's bounce was a nice bounce, and then they sold it right off. Let's see here. NASDAQ actually has net buyers. We're down, but we have net buying. It's interesting. 900 net buyers. I think that'll dissipate rather quickly. ES 6,500 sellers. Russell 18, almost 1,900 net sellers. Gold is coming down. Silver, another a nice short here at 752 on silver. Gold is probably headed down to 1,700 area now. It's good. It hit my targets from yesterday. It did it overnight, but we got our 50 to 60 target. I think gold is doom-olud. Anybody that may have run bots this morning, if you guys are on trial and newer with the bot, you would have caught this gold long to first target only at 20 ticks. You do have 1,500 sellers in gold, but you would have gotten that long to gold. If anybody is short NASDAQ, your first target is 12. First target is 12. Stephen, good morning. I do have my bots on at this point. Good morning, Kenneth. There was also a beautiful long on the NASDAQ this morning. It pulled back, gave you some heat, but went to all three targets. I have NASDAQ on. I have gold on, crude on, which is well into a short, probably will not get a trade. And I have bonds, ZB. Yields have fallen a bit. You've hit your first target, fellas, at 08. Anybody short NASDAQ? I'm sorry, 12. First target was 12. You've hit first target. Anybody take that short? Okay. A couple of you guys. There's first target. Now it's free. If we can break down, next target should be 93, maybe 94. I don't think I'd give up. If you have a runner, I don't think I'd give them up yet. I'd probably put stop at break even and forget about it. James, good morning. It's a nice way to start the day, fellas. All right, James. Nice. Yeah, here she comes, guys. Good to know. Nice way to start Friday. You could be done on your first trade, James. This thing is now coming to 93, 94. That may give it a shard of support. It may bounce a little bit off 93, 94. There's my 02. Next level down 93, 94, and maybe 89, and then 77. But nonetheless, targets hit. Money in the bank already, fellas. Money in the bank. Crude, I missed a really nice short. Very nice, Rick. Nice job. I'll check it out this weekend. Order flow group that met yesterday. I have not sent out the video only because for some reason it won't render. I'm not sure why. I'll work on that today. But on occasion, the sessions record, but then the video doesn't render. It happens. I've tried to render it twice and it's failed twice. For those of you that are in order flow group today, I have not, Chris. Will you send it to me, please? For those of you that are in class today, order flow group number 1, the link was sent this morning. Everyone should have it. If you don't have it, email me prior to class. I will not respond once class starts. In any event, guys, we're here. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. Hey, Saeed. Yeah, I'll give it to you in a second. For the time being, just go to break even. If you were in where I said it was around 34. First target was 12. It came to 02, which was my target. But I think we're coming down in the NASDAQ to 93, 94. We could bounce here back up to 52. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to a trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Trade according to your tolerance for risk. Guys, I have hit my February goal. For those of you that, good morning, Hubba Hubba. For those of you that, Todd, good morning. For those of you that are members, you guys may recall that last month in January, I began trading a very small account, $3,000 account. I closed the month out at 9,600 and change. My goal for the month of February was a 50% increase and a 50% increase every month through the end of June, which, if I can accomplish that task, would take me from $3,000 to about $85,000 in 6 months, starting with a $3,000 account. My goal for February was a 50% increase. I've attained that. Not by much. Not by much. I am over, but not by much. The point I'm trying to make is I may or may not do anything. I may do one trade today just so that I have a continuous track record of having traded every single day. But I have attained my goal. This stupid thing. Let me quickly check news. See what we might have today, Friday. Nothing. We've got some at 8:30. All right, guys. Bonds have shorted on the bot. I don't trade micros. I find them. I think that micros are. We have University of Michigan consumer sentiment at 10. We have a little bit of stuff at 8:30. Nothing that's 4-star, but nonetheless. Stuart, I don't trade micros. I think that micros, much like sim, from an educational standpoint, I think sim trading is great. If you trade sim, much like you would trade live, if people, unfortunately, in sim, many people will abuse sim. They'll throw on 200 contract trade just for the giggles of it. But if you trade sim like you trade live, it's great education, right? As far as micros, I personally do not trade micros, but I think micros have a place. And I think micros are good for people to get used to being in a live trade and, being able to handle the. All right, so let me get the bot trades up. There's NASDAQ is short on the bot and bonds are short on the bot. But micros have a place. I just, if I'm going to take a trade, I'm going to take a trade. I don't see any benefit in trading one micro. For me. Now, you guys may feel differently, and we're all going to have our opinions. But the point I'm trying to make is, guys, you can trade a small account and make money. You can trade a small account and make money. Now, I've missed the first long. If you guys are running from 6 o'clock on with the NASDAQ, I missed that long that went ultimately 78 points. So I'm basically starting, I'm at zero. Oh, we apparently have 3 trades on. Gold also went long. Bond yields are pulling back a bit. They are still extraordinarily high. TJ, the new indicator is 997. Currently, guys, Dow futures are down 152. S&P is off, call it 9 handles, and then it is 9. And the NASDAQ is off 21. Russell's down 13. S&P, I'm sorry, Dow futures are leading the down. No, they're not. Russell's down 6.5, 0.6%. Dow futures are down almost 0.5%. NASDAQ right now is the strength. VIX futures, guys, 27.98 off 0.8%, and VIX cash 29.45 up almost 2%. So the VIX is rising, up over 1,800 on the new indicator. Nice job, Kirk. Great job. So the bot currently has 3 trades: a bond, a gold, and a NASDAQ. 2 shorts and a long. I mean, again, for those of you guys, just to quickly look at this. I mean, this is the short you would have taken on the NASDAQ at 749 at 76 off the new indicator. 76. Here's crude. Look at this short at 754 from 62.30. It's 50 ticks to the low. 50 ticks. It's such a simple indicator to use. I think it can't do anything but help your trading. Morning, Marco. NASDAQ looks like it wants to bounce back to 52. That would be my target, 52. I don't think it gets higher than 52. Gold is going to fight resistance around 62.45 and then again 63.3. It might get that first target. I'm not sure about second target. What is the learning curve a day sim? I don't know what that means, Don. The breakout chart? I mean, there's no, real learning curve. It's a very simple trade. There's 52. This is where NASDAQ needs to stop and retrace. We do have buyers in this candle. I think we're just retracing to go higher, but to go lower. It's a very simple chart to learn. Very simple. Good morning, Becky. Thank you. Thank you. Looks like bonds are going to go to a loss and NASDAQ is going to go to a loss. Was it your intent to have two contracts for the first target? Yes, it was my intent. Bonds, I take two off at target one because it generally goes to target one. I mean, it's rare that bonds don't go to target. But the 10-year is falling. But I've always used target two contracts off at target one. We do have a little bit of 8:30 news. I don't think it's anything that's major. NASDAQ is not coming down unless it comes back down through about 30. Holy shnikes. Look at this bouncing crude. I'm not even watching. Monster long at 61. And again, I'm not watching, fellas. On this indicator, we'd have been long here, 96. Son of a gun. Was not watching. Gold came one tick from that first target. That's about its resistance. If you guys are in the gold trade, you may want to consider taking risk off unless gold can get above 63.4. Bonds trying to work a little bit lower. I don't know if it does or it doesn't, but you can add them yourself, Marco. I don't use alarms. I trade too many charts to have alarms, and they drive me nuts. I believe it does. The first version of the indicator did, and I had to shut them off because they literally was driving me out of my mind. Out on NASDAQ, fellas. Out on NASDAQ. Uh, 10-year guys is down 2% at 1.482. We were over 1.5. And this hit first target to the tick and didn't take it. Bonds also to a loss on the bot. 2 trades, 2 losing trades. Gold got first target. Morning, Jennifer. Yes, I got nothing. But if ES rolls below 24, it should come down. Morning, Paul. And there's the NASDAQ. What a scumbag. $30 may give it some support now on a bounce up. Gold's a short, trying. Let's see here. Yeah, probably. If it's going to short, yeah, no, I can't take it. And here comes the NASDAQ right back down. Yeah, I mean, that's, guys, listen, we're going to be volatile. If you guys take a trade on your own, let me know what you've done and where your stop is. I'll tell you if you have what I see is, the correct stop. 24 was your short, guys. Anybody take ES at 24? Anybody take ES at 24? I said if it comes down through 24, it's going to short. Okay, nobody. Okay. First target is 20. First target is 20. Stop is horrific, but you can start with a stop at 31. Real stop is like 34, but I think 31 should hold. NASDAQ's all over the place. First target is 20 and then 17 on ES. Okay, nice job, John. Nice job. Well, Lori, it is Friday and it is the last day of the month. Nothing wrong with leaving the table, pushing your chips in and going. You're well up. It's a great day. I don't do much on Fridays. I think we're coming back down to 12 on the NASDAQ. We do have some 8:30 news. We'll see what we get at 8:30. Gold got first target, missed second target. If I do a Saturday class, it's not going to be on the bot. It's going to be on the new indicator. And I probably will do a Saturday class. We've got a number of people that have the new indicator. I mean, there's not much education with the new indicator, but I'll go over my settings and colors. Settings again are basically out of the box. It's just a question of time frame. Just waiting on 8:30 news, guys. Silver is shorting. Silver's coming down. Gold's coming down. If gold breaks through 53.5, it gets hit. No, the new indicator, James. I'm using a 5 range on that new indicator, Paul. 5 range. Okay, out on gold. First target only. If gold sells, I'm going to sell silver. ES, it should come down to 20 and then 17. Actually, 12. We could come down to 12 whenever it rolls over. Bank of England says the economy is still hard hit by the pandemic. Waiting on news, guys. Waiting on news. NASDAQ could try to get back to 968. Silver was big. Got your first target at 20. I would be at break even and then target VWAP. Here's that 68. We just hit it. 68, basically. We hit 68. If we can get above 68, which I think we will, we're going to go 83. 20 ticks on silver. Nice job, Dennis. That's a huge silver trade. It's $500. Nice job. Guys, I'm going to go get coffee. I'll be right back. Everything that I can. I can't imagine what the heck is on my computer. Target 1 is 375 if you want a YM trade. Stop is 65. Okay, Chris, I'll take care of it when I close the room. Hey, Jeff. Good morning. I sent it to you in an email. Check the email I sent you. You asked me what my settings were. I sent it to you. Yes, it is, Paul. Yep. What is it? You use Hello Tech, can fix my computer over the internet. Hello Tech. All right, I'll Google it today. I mean, I've deleted everything out of my files. I don't know what the heck could be there. Anybody take YM? Anybody take YM? Okay. Should get to 75 first target. NASDAQ looks like it's going to blow. Okay. Nice, Greg. I think we get 75 to 77 for target 1. And then 445 for target 2. We may get that right here, guys. If NASDAQ can burst out above 70, it's going to keep going. Come on, dog. There it is. Whoop, there it is. You got 72. You guys want to reduce risk ahead of the open 30 minutes from now? Your prerogative. 75 was my first target. We came within 3 ticks of 75. Nothing's changed. It's still a long. This is your next target, 444 to 447. Nice job, Frank. All right, guys, I'm going to take a breakfast break. I will be back. Come on, one more push, Crude. Let's go get first target. 4 ticks to first target. Anybody have any questions, guys? 1 tick to target. Anybody still holding YM? Where can silver go? We're going to have to crawl through VWAP. I think VWAP, James, it's a few ticks from VWAP, but if we can crawl through VWAP, silver can go a ways. NASDAQ on the open, we have 22, almost 300 net buyers. I would expect NASDAQ to go back up and see 68, 69. If we can get through that level, we can go 13,016. 13,016. Crude is at first target, has not filled. It's hit it a couple times, but hasn't filled. It's hit first target a couple of times. If you guys are in this crude trade and want to take some risk off, I'm going to take risk off. Move stop up. Thank you, Gary. Yeah, thank you for that, Don. Yep. So you got first target, guys, on the YM, if anybody's holding YM. Next level up on YM is 444 to 7 area. 2 standard deviations. Gold is pulling back a bit. Watch that silver may pull back also. I expect volatility again today, guys. Guys, for the last time, I know some of you guys have joined late. The video from yesterday's order flow class, for whatever reason, did not render. I've tried it twice. I don't know what the issue is. I'll work on it later. Order flow class today at 12 o'clock. The link has been sent. If you don't have it, email me before class. I will not stop class at noon. I will not stop class at noon to send a link. If I can get it to render, Marco. I don't know what the problem is. All right, guys, enough about that. We got 2 minutes. Task at hand, fellas. Task at hand. Today is Friday. It is the last day of the week, the last day of the month. We'll trade for about an hour. I'll briefly speak to my trials, take my customary lunch break, get ready for class at noon, and I'm done for the week at 1 o'clock. Anybody still holding YM? Anybody still holding YM? You want to move your stop to, I wouldn't let this come back below 45. 45, maybe 50. Lock in some ticks at the open. Russell is getting a bid a little here on the open, or ahead of the open, I should say. See if we get pullbacks. Looks like they're running GameStop up the flagpole again, huh? All right, fellas. 40 seconds. Let's end the week on a good note, make money, and be gone. If 4 trades so far, 3 winners, 1 loser on the ES. Nice winner on crude, NASDAQ, YM, and silver. 5 trades, 4 winners, 1 losing trade so far. Five seconds. 1, we're off. We're off. All right, let's see what we get here, guys. 2,500 buyers. I would say if we can get a pullback, we're probably wanting longs at this point, but I need a YM's pulling back. Crude is they're all pulling back slightly. Gold not moving, silver, Russell pulling back. Chicago PMI, okay. Have no effect on us. It's not 4-star news. We also have Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock, but won't all right, guys. Russell is long. RTY is long on the bot. Let's see if I can move it. Target filled. I must have lagged, fellas, because it filled a target. Yeah, I've got lag on the Russell. Yep, I've definitely got lag. I don't know about the NASDAQ, but YM coming back down. I mean, this isn't even, look, I'm below break even here. It's up $400. Missed target by a tick. Yeah, RTY at both targets. I have lag. I mean, again, I've got lag, so it is what it is. Let me know when I hit targets. There's the breakout on NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ now can get to 13,016. That's your target, 13,016 NASDAQ. YM's along coming up through 69. If it comes back up. Nope, now I can get in earlier. Nope. You can buy YM, guys, on a move up at 332. God dang it. I hate when my charts freeze, guys. I've got Russell frozen. Come on, buddy. Get up there. ES. I missed a long at 37. Gold. Crude is going to come back and take me out at even. Gold may give you a long right here. 55.7. Gold is going to try to get back to 60. 55.7 on gold is what it's looking like. Come on, gold. It's got to hold this bottom at 53.5. If it breaks, it's going to get slaughtered. $3,000 plus 3,100 net buyers NASDAQ. We're not looking for a short on NASDAQ, guys. This is consolidation before the move up is what it's looking like. They're just accumulating it in this area. The only place I have a pullback long entry is 39 if it pulls back there. I don't think it does. I think it's a long. Hang on. If this gets up through 71 on our indicator, this should go. If it pulls back to 39, you can take it at 39. I don't think it does, but 39 is interesting. Your stop would be, come on, man, 15. 39 with a 15. There's 39. 39 hit, and we're bouncing. 15 is your stop. Out on crude, on the runner. Anybody take 39 long? Your stop is 15. We can get up through 58, 59. This can go a long ways. You got 10 handles in it if you guys want to whack at it. Take some risk off and then hold one. Anybody long 39 NQ? Anybody long 39? Okay. Okay, guys. There you go, fellas. 20 handles. If you want to take some risk off, take some risk off. It's at 83 now? Oh, okay. Well, then I guess I'm wasting my time watching my charts. Well, all right, guys, I guess I'm lagging again. Yeah, I'm a minute behind, fellas. 39 was the entry, neither here nor there. NQ hit 88. That's only 48, 49 handles, guys. What are you going to do? What are you going to do with a 48 handle trade? Piss on it. Thanks, Greg. I mean, my levels are the same on my chart. So, whether or not I'm getting a fill. And nice job, Lori. Take your $1,000 and Didi. I mean, guys, it's a monster trade. Almost 50 points. Huge. Huge. My levels are marked on my chart. So whether or not I'm lagging, it doesn't matter. As long as I get you guys the level before it hits the level. Nice job, Lori. Lori, have you had a losing day since you joined? Or have you made money every day since you've joined us? Russell on the bot again, guys. First target. You missed about a 50 handle trade on the NASDAQ, Keith. I would suggest that at the market open, you guys don't take off. Let the dog potty in the house. Let the baby cry in the crib. We're long from 39 on the NASDAQ, Keith. Target on NASDAQ, guys, 13,016 if you're long. 13,016. Exactly, Lori. Exactly. If you're long NASDAQ, your target is now 16. 13,016. Target's filled on Russell again. Anybody holding NASCRAC Adorni? Anybody have runners going from 39? Okay, fellas. 16's your target. $16, fellas. I would move that stop up to probably 60 from 39, 60. Lock in 21 handles. If we get back over that 04, I would go to 79 and lock in 40 points. Here you go. Break here. Go to 79. Go to 79, stop. Go to 89. Go to 89, stop. Locking in how many points? 60. There's my target, 16. Boom. If you're still holding, 48. Next level, 48. 13,048 if you're still holding. We're almost at 100 handle trade. Yeah, I know. Every trade room's doing this. Right. Sure they are. $48 if you're still holding. Thank you, Jeff. I would move my stop to 09. 09. 09. If it takes you out, it takes you out. You lock in 70 points. $1,400 locked. 09. It's going to pull back, I think, fellas, at that 32. You're out at 09. You locked in 70 points. Done for the day. Nice job, Ken. Guys, if you didn't make money on that trade, nice, good job, Francis. If you didn't make money on that trade or you came out too soon because you did your own thing, it's on you. Today is Friday. I do not do many trades today. It is the last day of the week and the month. I have hit my daily goal. I made a few bucks today. I may get a trade in again. But if I don't really care. We could pull back now to 50. I don't think we do, but we could. 50. If somebody wants to try a short, you're short with a stop at 21 and a 50 target. 50 target. You can drop your stop down to 03. 03. Come on, 50. Let's go. 67. Come on. All right, Brian. See you Monday. 62. Drop your stop down, guys, to 79. Lock in a ton of money again. Going fishing. All right, Paul. Fish on, brother. Fish on. Stop is 79. Still coming to 50. But stop is 79. Did not hit stop yet. I'm watching it. Did not hit stop. Hang on, guys. There's your out, 79. So you only made another 20, 25 points. Everybody good? Everybody good? Dun, 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 dun. All right, fellas. Dun, 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 dun. We tan them up. Tan them up. I declare. Keith. I swear. This NASDAQ is our friend. Every once in a while it decides to beat my brains in. But generally, we be jamming it. It's all right. You still make money. No crying about making money. You're going to get another short, it looks like. Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, we're going to get another short, I think, fellas. You can sell it 73. 73. First target. I still think we got to come to 52. I'm not interested in the longs. Too many sellers. Too many sellers. We have a strong net delta, 3,200, but we're up almost to 4,000. They sold almost 600 cars this last candle. 600. If anybody sold that 73, your target is 52. Your target is 52. Come on, let's get down below 67. Target one is 5-2. 5-2. 5-2. 5-2. 5-2. Oh, you scumbag. Hit 56. 55. Your first target is 5-2. Come on, one more dump. 5-2. Booyah, baby. Booyah. 73. Now it's free. Now it's free. It's free. I'll keep killing these guys. I will keep killing these guys. There you go, fellas. It's free trade. You can put your stop at 73 and leave it, or you can take your money, whatever you want to do. It's Friday. Trade it as you see fit, guys. Trade them as you see fit. It's a booyah, baby. You'd be out anyways. Well, Russell again, guys. Another long on the RTY. First target only. So far. It's the booyah, baby. Nice job, Frank. Got another target RTY. Thank you for a great day. Killed it in silver and NQ. You're welcome, James. Guys, my birthday's in August if anybody's interested. We're killing them. Killing them. Killing them. Killing them. I missed the up move, though. I really thought we'd come back down to 40. That's where I would have liked to see a bounce. It bounced ahead of that. Oh, I guess I should have expected that. I'll show you why. I'm August 7. Well, I'm going to get, you guys are paying attention. I can't change it. All right, guys, good. If you guys sold that below 30, your first target, fellas, is right here, 04. It's coming down to 83. I can't even change my 8. There we go. Obviously, I have lag. I can't, there it is. I can't even move it. You got first target, guys, from 30. Holy Christmas. Here's another 40 handle trade. 40 freaking handles, fellas. 40. We are just throttling them today. If you guys aren't making money, you guys are doing something wrong. You're going long, I'm going short. Guys, we are probably headed back to 812. If you guys are short, 812. Next stop is going to be 847. If anybody is short, 847. 847 is going to be the next target. We're holding some support here on a 15-minute time frame. We may get a small bounce here. The next 15-minute candle, I think, is going to be the one. You also at 792.50. Sheesh. Any retracement, I think, is going to get walloped. We're down to 2,400 buyers, guys. Selling is starting to pick up. What are you in from, Greg? I tried to hit it at 30, 17. Yeah. And I had a 10-tick target, like, wrong ATM on. I couldn't even move it. Guys, are you all making money today? I hope my trials are loving this. Guys, we break 84, we come down again. 84, we come again. We're back up to 25. There's your swing low. And we're probably not going to go much further. We're coming into VWAP anyways, fellas. If it pops back up to 38, 39, it's going to stop there. You may get a move back up to 38 or 39 from here. But it's going to stop there, I think. Next 15-minute candle, I think, is going to be the kaboom. That's in 9 minutes. May not even get up to 38, 39. Watch that swing low right there. That's going to give you the next dip, fellas. You guys can short it if you want, but the stop is, if you guys want to short it, you can short it. Just don't ask me what the stop is. NASDAQ is going to short at the close of this candle on the 3-minute. You sold at 26, hit your stop. You mean it hit your target at 07. Is that what you're saying? If you sold 26, it hit your target at 07. Yeah. That was the next break right there, guys. Right? You could have sold that right there. It's coming to VWAP, and then if anybody sold this break here at 85, whatever that is, that line, your first target is 47. Did anybody sell that line? Anybody sell that? Your first target is 47. You don't want to know what the stop is. Your stop has to be 912. 912. But your first target is 47. 47. Come on, buddy. Tim, why don't you just buy the new indicator? It's shorts. It's shorts. It gave the short all the way up here. I mean, if you were fast, you could have hit 984, right? Most of us would have gotten it down here at 79. You'd be short from 979. Nah, you'd probably be out here on this pullback, 905. You'd only have 75 handles on that trade. First target is 47, fellas. 47. Maybe 40. God dang it, this stupid NASDAQ. Son of a pup. Hang on, guys. There's no reason for that to have held where it did. I'm not interested in the long. Some guy's trying to sell me Tennessee Titan tickets. James, are you still in the room? My wife had a boo-boo. We got first target. No, we got 49. My first target is 47.48. That's my first target. We're down to 1,800 buyers. It's over. It is over. We got a new 15-minute candle. We're coming down to 831 next. 831, which is yesterday's close. Anybody that's short, no, I'm not going to sell it unrepaired. The damage isn't that bad. 10,000, it's 21,000 in damage. 10,000 of it is 2 headlights. They're $4,800 a piece. She cracked them both. You're welcome, Mac. It's coming down, guys. There's my first target. Now it's just free. I'd show you the NASDAQ short on. It's lucky I don't care about my car. NASDAQ is short on the bot. I can't think and move it. The NASDAQ is short on the bot. I cannot move it. First target. I can't. God dang. The NASDAQ's up $2,400. There's 31. Next target down, 814. Told you it's coming to 812. I gave you guys 812. It's coming to 812. We may bounce in this area, but it's coming down. We're down to 1,400 net buyers. Any bounce back up is going to get hit with selling. Guys, you ought to be happy as clams today. We've excoriated them this week. Excoriated them. Now, if we catch this swing low here, it's coming to 812, guys. 812. You should have shut down, Paul, and reloaded. Thank you, Jeff. Isn't it that new indicator, guys? I'm telling you, this new indicator. I'm not saying it because it's mine. I don't know what they may do at the bottom. Shoot, I'm not paying for it. My insurance company is. Nice job, Lori. It's coming down, guys, to 12. It's just trying to hold this area. It's going to sell off. We're down to 1,570 buyers. They're trying to hold this area in here. If we pop back up, it's trying to hold VWAP, but it's not going to hold long, guys. I'm telling you, it's not. The path of least resistance is 812 before a bounce on a bigger time frame. The small time frame's all over the place. Bonds have sold off. Yields are rising. I'm not watching gold. Gold has gotten crucified. Bond yields are way up. Gold, oh my God, did I miss a gold trade? Oh my God. Guys, we missed it. I missed. Just a monster. If I sold my car one part at a time, yeah, I'll sell it overseas. New 15-minute candle coming. No, 10 minutes. My bad. It's a nice bounce. Back to 2,100 buyers. Yeah, I mean the volatility. What's the VIX doing? I don't care about the ticks. I'm interested in the VIX. Let me see where the VIX is. VIX futures are down 0.8%. VIX cash is down 1.6%. So actually, the VIX was down more. All right, guys, another short on NASDAQ is trying. But your stop has to be 47 from here. Holy shnikes. That's a big one. It's a short. NASDAQ's a short. NASDAQ's a short. NASDAQ's a short. It's coming back down. Reload. Sell them again. Order filled on what? Hang on, guys. Maybe Russell? Yeah, Russell's short on the bot. We're coming down, fellas. There's first target, RTY. I still can't move my goddamn NASDAQ bot. Do you believe that? It's frozen. It's up. It was up over 2,000. It's up $800 at this point. I can't do anything with it. Can't move it. Couldn't close a trade. Didn't quite get to first target. Nothing I can do with the NASDAQ bot. Come on, get that second target. There we go. Russell has had no losing trades today on the bot, guys. Russell's been a beast. It's coming to 12, guys. I don't care what this thing does in the short term. It's coming to 12. I'm starting to like that stupid RTY, Greg. You remember years ago, we were arch enemies. Good old TF. If I went long, it went short. If I went short, it went long. If I had a 30 tick stop, it went 32 ticks. Yeah, good old RTY. Net ES is going to short on the 15-minute at the close of the, well, not for 7 minutes. That's going to short in 7 minutes. Guys, we're coming down on the NASDAQ. There's a chart of support at 35. That's the end. That's the end. It's coming to 12. Anybody holding NASDAQ? It's coming to 12. Trying to hold this. It's not going to hold. It's coming to 12. Okay, good. And we got a short on crude on the bot. I have a short on crude. NASDAQ is up $2,900, guys, on the bot, and I still can't move it. I can't move it. Nice job, Lori. I cannot move the damn bot to show you. First target is hit. It's up $3,500, the NASDAQ bot. I'm going to go over the bot today and talk about the bot. If you guys remember, I took a huge losing trade on NASDAQ on the bot, the first trade of the day. There's my 12. Boom, chaka, yeah, 3-minute bot. I took a huge losing trade. I can't move it or I'd show you. It's frozen, which torques my jaw. I took a huge losing trade on the bot on the NASDAQ. I got first target only on gold for 1 contract and then lost on 2. I took a losing trade on the bonds. The bot started out here. Let me see if I can show it another way. My bot started out down $4,000. $4,000. Here's where we are now. Okay. The bots are down 1,900 from over 4,000. And I've got 4,200 in this NASDAQ trade, 4,300. The bots are going to be well green. One of the things I've tried to teach you guys is that the bots will generally right themselves. I can't even close it from here. I can't even close the trade. Even if I wanted to, the damn chart's frozen. Nothing I can do. But if I could get out of this trade, we'd be up a couple grand already with crude still on. Change your mouse cursor back to arrow. What do you mean? I can't do anything with the chart, dude. That chart's frozen. It's up. This is the same trade. It's just, I can't turn the chart off. I can't close the trade. I can't do anything. There's nothing I can do with that trade. But it's up $4,700. I know. I can't close the position. It's what I keep telling you guys. There's nothing I can do. It's only one way that it may close, which is in the position page, and I don't even know if that'll work. That worked. I did. That closed it. I don't know what that means, Marco. Global, what is global cursor? Guys, I got all my targets on NASDAQ. Now it's just completely free. We hit my 12. Yeah, Ninja's such a... Nice job, Chris. You're welcome, Mac. Ninja just drives me nuts. Seriously. And then at 11:45, it'll shut down on its own. Bots were red, big today. Big. They are now green. And that's from when we came in the room. I didn't take any of the 6 a.m. trades, fellas. Or it never would have been down, $4,000. Let it bounce. Let it bounce. All right, Josh. That's what I did, Jennifer. Right clicking. Yeah, that's what I did. That's how I got out of that position. I still can't I still can't move the chart. Guys, it's Friday. I don't really care. I've made money, hit my monthly goal. I've made a few bucks today. I told you guys I wasn't going to trade much. I have not. I've taken 3 trades. Yeah, the bot is short, CL, Greg. Bot is short 23. I like RTY too. I don't really like YM virtually at all. I had you're welcome, Don. Guys, it is 10:15. Do I have anybody that's not made money today? Is there anybody that's lost money? Is there anybody that has lost money today? You could not have lost money on any trade call I've given. That was your own trade, though. Correct me if I'm wrong, Marco. That was your trade, not mine. That's the only losing trade I had, but you took something after that. What trades are ES shorted? Yeah, that's the only losing trade I had. That is the only trade I had that lost money. So you haven't taken any other trade all day then. Nice job, Keith. You haven't taken any more trades, Marco, right? You've sat here and watched 70 and 80 handle trades in both directions. I mean, guys, I can't help you if you don't push the button. Nothing I can do. If you take one losing trade and you're done for the day, there's nothing I can do. Target filled. I guess we got first target. No, we didn't get first target. Guys, crude hasn't come to first target yet. I'm shutting bots off at this point. Gold is off. I mean, it's in deep short anyways. Look, it's 1732. Yeah, ES is coming down. It's up another 1,000. Up 15.7. Nice job, Roland. Guys, we are dead. If NASDAQ breaks below 3,800, it's going to get annihilated. I don't know that it does or it does not, but it will get annihilated. Bot started out down about $4,000, little over $4,000. They are now up 28.42 with pending trades. Here, you can have them. Target filled. The only trade left on, we're up $3,000 on the bot. $5,000 swing on the bots. 5,000, no more. We were down 4. $7,000 bot swing. Crude is still on. I'll leave that trade on for a bit. Guys, bots are all off. I'm done with the bots. Bonds will not take a trade. Gold is dead man walking the mile. Gold is walking the mile. It's coming down to 1700 and lower. All right, let's wait for another flip on the NASDAQ. I'll find you guys one more trade. ES, if you guys want an ES long, you probably get a small long. It's got to break above 18.5. I'll wait for the NASDAQ one more roll. Nice job, Ken. Nice job. Nice job. Guys, it's the easiest indicator in the. One of our guys got the indicator today trading NASDAQ in SIM. Pay attention, in SIM. He's up over 3,000 trading 3 contracts in SIM. Just got the indicator this morning. So let's see if we come down. We're close to a short. All right, I'm going to sell it. Boy, that filled late. And I can't even move my stop. God dang. There it is, guys. I'm obviously getting lag. See, I'm getting lag. I'm getting lag. I'll do education on this. Yeah, I'm trying to hit it here. I don't know what the volatility is. Rat bag. It's holding that 47. It's holding this 34 moving average. If we drop below this, we're coming down into VWAP. I don't want the longs. Come on, roll over. Now we're getting slow at 1020. There's our short again. Target order filled. Come on. 250 again. Let me move this. I can't move this. Son of a. I'm getting lag. We bounced off VWAP. Yeah, it's bad lag. Look at this. I'm up and down $200, $300. We held VWAP again, guys. We could go up. Kiss my grits. I'll move it on another chart. Yep, CL took first target. CL took first target. This is pissing me off. I'm getting too much lag to trade. We bounced VWAP. We're going up to 90. This is where we got to fail. If we don't, I'm going to kill it. Come on down. This has to drop back below 57 to come down. It's not. Come on. There it goes. Come on. Below 57, it comes back down. It's screwing around in here. Drop down to 59. Get back below 54. Come on. God dang it. Get down here. Target filled. There we go. Target filled. That's it for the day and for the month and for the week for me. I'll take 475 and call it, fellas. Again, I've hit my monthly goal. No, no, George. No. Never gonna happen. No. First of all, I played with Sierra charts for about a month. And after a month, this is not a joke. After a month, I could not even figure out how to build a chart. Not even a joke. I could not. Sierra Charts was written by terrific programmers who are not traders. The guys that wrote the Sierra Chart platform don't trade. Great idea. But for me, and I'm dumber than the average guy. You have a blessed weekend as well, Jeff. I just could not figure out how to build a chart, how to put on an indicator or a strategy, nothing. Secondly, the programmer that I used for Sierra Charts, I don't have much of a relationship with. He was referred to me. I used him for the Sierra Charts bot, and he did decent work. But my relationship is with Joel, which is over 5 years. And if I call, Crude got both targets. And if I called Joel right now and said, hey, I need this, Joel will do it. If I called him right now, the programmer from Sierra Charts, he'd say, well, I got 10 guys ahead of you and I'll get to it when I can. But Sierra Charts, I believe, they do. They have their own order flow indicator, which is nothing like ours. As you know. And hang on. Tom Evans, are you in the room? Are you in the room? Tom Evans. Well, Joel and I have been working together for 5 years, maybe a little bit more. Tom Evans, are you in the room? Okay. Right click on your chart where the bot is, right? Right click on the chart. Okay. So right click when you see this, Tom, go to Reload Ninja Script. Go to Reload Ninja Script and see if that's, the bots are closing out the week up, or on the day, $3,732. Now they started out, if you traded from 6 till 8, you would not have had such a, egregious draw. I started out down a little over 4,000 on the bots. I'm closing them up 37.32.50. Okay, I did not start them till we came into the room. I cannot shut these two charts off. They're frozen. But 37.32, guys, for the week, it was a stunning week. I'm done for the week, fellas. It's 10:30. I'm done. Keith, what's the question of the day? Thank you, Rick. Guys, do I have anybody that did not make money? I'm done for the week and the month, fellas. I am done for the week and the month. That is 3,700 for the day. Yes, Keith, after starting out down about 4,000. See you Monday, Chris. And I'll send that to you as soon as I leave the room, Chris. Guys, if you are a member, you guys can Didi Mao if you want. You guys can Didi Mao. I am done for the week. I am done for the month. We'll be back at it Monday. I will do a webinar tomorrow